Hey everyone, as you can see, I've got another lock clamped up into the vise today. And if I can get it to focus, there we go. This is another lock that Pickme1977 sent me. Pickme, thank you for all the locks you sent. I've had fun with the ones I've opened so far, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have fun with the rest. This is a Jeff Moss challenge lock. And see here, does it have JM stamped on it? It doesn't look like it does this time, but if Pickme says this is a Jeff Moss lock, I'm going to believe him, darn it. So let's see what it takes to get into this lock. I've not picked this one yet, so I don't know, it might even have a little bit of a longer video. I'm going to try, since this is a Schlage keyway, I'm going to try a 15 thousandths short hook, and I want to go from the bottom. A few clicks out of 4 there. And click out of 3. Not getting any love out of 2. Nothing on 3. Another click out of 4. Little tiny click out of 2 and 1. Little click out of 4. Nothing going. Looking at the front of this keyway here, the wording looks like it's split back just a little bit, like it's heavily worn. I wonder if it'll be better for me to use a batter hook and go from the ledge. Okay, nice click out of 2. Click out of 4. Nothing on 5. So coming back forward. Pin 1. 3. 4. 5. And I'm just going with heavy tension right now, trying to force something to bind. And I'm not getting a ton of feedback. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I overset a couple there. That was pin 5. Nice click out of 1. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. Little click out of 4. So back to 1. Nothing. 2. Nothing. 3. 4. 5. Nothing. Okay, and a nice little click off of 1, and that opened us up. So Not a bad little fight here. Was that about 5 minutes so far on the video? Yeah, that's about, seems about right. Okay. Set that there. And let me see if my resin tailpiece remover will work. Yes, it will work perfectly. Thank you, Bobby, for sending me that. Bobby Keys sent me that. Alright, now I need my plug follower. And we'll go with key pins up. Alright, so I got a standard in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all standard key pins. Turn around. No modifications to the plug. Got a nicely homemade serrated in 1. And that's got a copper spring. A spooled pin with a serration on the top with a different type of copper spring. I've got a factory spool with a copper spring. Whoa, that shot out of there. And I've got an acid driver with a copper spring. And the last one is a mushroom with a copper spring. And well, let me go ahead and check. I doubt he did any modifications up top. And it doesn't look like it. I know y'all can't see with the lighting, but there's definitely nothing up there. Alright, so let's go ahead and zoom in on the pins. Okay, as you see, we have all standard key pins, but the magic's all up top with a nicely serrated in 1, a spooled with a serration, a spool, an ASA pin, and a mushroom. So the driver pins, pretty darn cool pins. These ASA pins, with those sharp lips, they could be pretty tricky at times. But that's what we have in this lock that Jeff Moss put together. Jeff, thanks for making this lock. It was a fun lock. And Pickme, thank you for sending it to me. It was really fun to get it picked open for you guys. And yeah, I had fun. Everyone, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.